Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 123, best time to buy and sell stock, part 3. So you are given an array prices where the prices of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Find the maximum profit you can achieve. You may complete at most 2 transactions, so you may not engage in multiple transactions simultaneously. You must sell the stock before you buy again. So as an example, the prices are 500,314. The output can be 6. Buy at the 4th day, which is 0, and sell on the 6th day, which is 3. So the profit is going to be 3, and then buy on the 7th day, which is 1, and sell on the 8th day, which is 4, and the profit is going to be 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and we have similar examples. So the way we're going to be doing it is like we're going to be doing it in 2 traversals. First we're going to go from left to right in order to find the profit, and then we're going to go from we're going to make an array of all the profits we can have, and then we're going to traverse from right to left, because we can have 2 transactions, and then we're going to add our profits in order to get the maximum profit. So the base, not even a base, like a basic like a validity check, a sanity check would be like if there are no prices, just return 0. Otherwise, like what we're going to be doing is like first of all we're going to make an array where we're going to keep our profits, which is initialized as an empty array. Then we're going to say that initially our maximum profit is equal to 0. Okay, and then we're going to say that the current minimum is basically equal to the first element in the prices. So we are assuming that this is the current minimum number we have seen so far. Okay, now for the price inside the prices, what we're going to be doing is like we're going to say that the current minimum is gonna update every single time. Is it gonna be the current underscore minimum or the price like which we are looking at? So we have to keep record of like which one is the current minimum we have seen so far. Okay, then the max profit would always be the max between the max profit and the price you are seeing minus the current minimum. After that, we're gonna say that we're gonna put out that profit into the profit array or list, which is the maximum profit. Every single time we're gonna be calculating the maximum profit, and then we're gonna be calculating we're gonna be putting it into the profit list. Okay, now we're gonna have our second traversal, and we're gonna calculate the total maximum, which is gonna be initialized as 0, and then we're gonna have our current max, which is basically the last element this time, minus 1, because we are going this time we're going from right to left. Okay, and we also gonna have we're gonna reset the maximum profit to 0. Now for I in range we're gonna start from like the last element. So in order to calculate the last index minus 1, then we're gonna stop when we have completed the whole all the indices. So we're gonna stop at minus 1, and we're gonna do backwards, right to left. So that's why we have minus 1. And then we're gonna be, every single time we're gonna be calculating the current max, which is basically equal to the maximum between the current max and the price uh, and the prices of I. So have you seen, if you have already seen the maximum value, just keep it like that, otherwise we're gonna update the current max. Looking good. And then the maximum profit is, we're gonna calculate the maximum profit just like we did it in the first reversal. So that's gonna be the maximum profit, or the current max minus the prices of the current price. Current max minus the prices of like which we are at, our index is at. And in the end we're gonna say that the total max is basically equal to max between the total max and maximum profit plus the profit at that index. And the profit at that index, and in the end we're going to be returning the total max. Yeah, looking good. Let's see how it does for the other test cases. Yep, and it passed all the test cases.